Let me just share my screen. Here we go. Yeah. Yes, sir. We are here. Indices. Oh, indices. Okay. Let me just post it because let me check YT whether it's whether we are live or not. Oh. YT. Where is sir? We are perfectly live. Let me check my mic. Yeah, we are live. Uh, what's it? What's up, sir? What's up? What's up? What's up? Thank you for joining. Hit that like button. Mm, Let me put a story on my Instagram handle so that people can join. Done. We added the story. Yeah. Now let's start our analysis. We are good. We are good everywhere. Okay. Let me check my network once and can start. No need to worry, guys. No need to rush. Anyhow, we are going to trade 10 a.m. candle, so that's cool. It's nice. Screen size, okay, nice. Yeah. Made all set. Chart is also open. Yeah. Into the indices first. Let me go through the indices. See, we got these highs in Q, in NQ. I just clear out everything for now here as well. Yeah, we already cleared this high in ES, so yeah as well. Let me just go through overall like top down analysis for watching. Nice guys. Make sure to comment if you're from Kannada community so that I can explain in Kannada as well. Because I will just simply go in English only. We are coming to the dailies. Yes. What do we have? Do you have this drag and correlation here, SMT in dailies? C2. Yeah. Okay. But the problem here is we are not bouncing from any kind of PD raise here. The only thing we are going to have is this gap, maybe. If you see in a 18 kilowatt frame, you might see some kind of gap here. Should be seeing some kind of gap here. Why do we have this such weird candles here? What is that? Look at this, guys. This is our opening price. Okay, this candle. Okay, Thursday, and this is our opening price of next day candle. So once this candle closed, it's directly started from here. So they might be some kind of gap in between. I dropped down to the lower time frame, but I couldn't see anything there. Yeah, but yeah. So we have this SMT with this C2 with ES, and you know we are inside of C3 right now, so we might get a good expansion towards this high. That's what I think. This high. Let's drop down to the 4 hour. We might get to see. Yes, now there is some more confirmations there as well. 4 hour. Yeah, we do have this right in correlation with both of these numbers. We had this yesterday as well, I think. I don't know. I don't remember exactly. Yeah. 6 a.m. just straight away expansion, but 10 a.m. need to see like how we open low high. We might trade this for 10 a.m., but we have to wait and see because 6 a.m. is expanded a lot more than expected. But we do have these highs though, good highs. Let's go through the YM. What do we have here? What do we have? Oh shit, YM is also looking good though. Yeah, yeah, YM is looking good for me to trade higher, but we need a good closure of this candle. Yeah, YM is looking good, but these equals, I don't care about these equals for now at least because we had a good expansion after that and we can push higher. Again, it's today, it's Wednesday, so continuation maybe. 6 p.m. open, set the low of the day with this SMT, and then we are trading away from it. So YM is looking good to these highs, to these at least to these relative equal highs. Let's wait and see. Yeah, let's wait and see. We already set a low of the day, so we just need to trade away from the low of the day. What's happening in here in gold? Gold. Now, in gold, when you look at daily, I was expecting this week actually, expecting this week, but didn't get that. We have some kind of small crack in correlation and something like this. ESP, instant switch. We have this yesterday's high target for today, but we need more confirmations, guys. We can't only rely on daily time frame and anticipate that we are going to push higher. So let's drop down to the lower time frame and see what we got. The only thing we have right now to hold here is this order block. This order block. If we get this C2 closure, if we get this C2 closure, we might think of trading higher from here. Zupa, welcome, welcome to the stream. We need a flip of this candle and C2 closure, and then we can look for higher prices here. We had a beautiful yesterday oil trade, guys. Oil, oil. Bit confusing here in oil. B, left, H, O. Yeah. In HO, we had this two stage yesterday, but not sure about this candle. What I think we should at least like push till these lows, maybe. Okay. Or else we'll get this sweep and tap into this gap here. Then we can decide to, do what to do next, because right now it's ranging according to me. Look at this 3 days, 3 days and deep retracements here and there. You look at daily. You look at even 4 hour. Sorry for this, guys. You look at 4 hour as well. Sorry for all this rubbish. If you look at the 4 hour, just chopping around. Good here. Just chopping around, chopping around, chopping around. So you need to wait to get a more confirmation on oil, at least for now. Anyhow, we have gold forming C2 here from the reaction of this order block. And once the C2 is formed, we can trade, 10 AM open, low, high, and then we can catch this full body expansion after setting a low of 10 AM. That's a good sign there. But NQ is just expanding. Uh, I don't know. I don't want to touch this NQ after this good expansion here. Next candle might just, give good retracement or just consolidate in phases of price delivery, expansion, retracement or consolidation, and then expansion again. C2 forming here, 3 minutes. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second, guys. I'm on call. So we are back. 3 minutes. We have this into candle. Simply here, silver. Sorry for the mess, guys. I'm not using mouse. That's a problem. What's 30 minute doing? Nice. 30 minute. If you get this 30 minute CST, sorry, C2 closure, and that would be so nice. 3 minute, 5 minutes. We need a lot of. We still have a time in 5 minutes, but 3 minutes, we might get these. Maybe might get this, and then. But trading C2 with without two stage is kind of scary, if you ask me. Trading C2 without good information is kind of scary. There was a nice pre-market entry in CL at 9.6. My time frame two stage and 15-minute two stage PSP SMT feed. I was not looking at oil pre-market 9.6, right? 9.6. Yeah, this was a good entry here. Very nice. If you take on this, this is like so good entry. I think you entered somewhere on this CST, placing above here, option 1 is to 2. Easy, easy trade, easy. Nice, nice catch, nice trade, beautiful trade. I'm not sure like how to trade this oil right now, like currently, because we are just ranging around. No, no crack and correlation here before, or at least I wanted something. But we do have these. And this might be the C2 again. After that, a crack and correlation there, PSP. Well, after clearing this, I think I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm getting, hmm, nice. Happening in NQ. 40 minutes. Let me check. I'm not gonna touch NQ because NQ is just expanding. I don't think so. I'm going to get an NQ if we close this C2, then I might think of trading higher. What's the time right now? 9:30. I mean, first 30-minute candle of market open. Hope you guys are understanding what I am explaining here. Like, if you guys want to ask anything, you guys can anytime. Guys can even DM me. I'll definitely answer there as well. What is looking good. The problem is we didn't had this changing set of delivery to enter the trade, so that's the thing. You just keep on like expanding this packet correlation for now instead of this key level. So this ability. Yeah, it would be so good if we get this. Yes, gold, as you're seeing here, a 30-minute, 3-minute profile. We are getting 30-minute C2. We might get a good entry after like 10 a.m. Might get some kind of retracement and then push higher. We can engage in C3. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಏನೋ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನ ತನಕ ಏನೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I have to go with other languages because I have other audience as well. Mhm. Let's see, guys. Gold is looking good for now. We have these highs here, highs up here. Got this back and correlation. C2, we are getting C2 closure in 30 minutes. Let's see. We just need to wait, guys. We don't have anything to do now. Still is expanding lower. Problem with CL is we can't trade CL. Actually, the problem with CL is these big wicks. You guys are saying these big wicks can top you out easy. Did you take ASL, bro? Did you take any ASL, bro? The 10 a.m. is not yet open. Why are you even punching trade pre 10 a.m.? You can trade. I mean, you can take, but you know it's better to wait for 10 a.m. if you ask me, because the setup is still forming in gold. Like C2 is forming 30 minutes C2, and we can trade 10 a.m. I think silver. Silver is looking good though. Where did you take SL? Can you tell me? Just tell me the time, maybe. You just tell me the time, maybe. Silver is looking good for now because we have this changing set of delivery. At least we have something to put our SL down here, and it might come back and retrace and give us entry. But in gold, it just straight away being higher. In silver, this might be the entry. If you ask me, my SL should be here. It should be 1:2. We can do this in silver, but not right now. The problem with gold is you should not clear the drawn liquidity till 10 a.m. open. That's the problem. YM just chopping around, and NQ is just straight away pumping higher. YM have a good equal highs. It should show some kind of sign to push higher though. Let's see what's ES doing. We had this PSP though. How can I join a mentorship, bro? Is that free? Yeah, that is free. Mentorship, March mentorship is free, but everything will be in March mentorship is in my mother tongue because I want to teach my people here, because a lot of people here don't know about anything about ICT or GXT or anything. So I want to just give them a free source there. But you can join. I used to take one-on-one sessions, but right now, as I'm having a March mentorship with around 15 people who are like very dedicated to the trading, and I don't know, I'm able to give a time for one-on-one for March because I have to manage with my job, so it's difficult for me. Either the mentorship of 15 people or one-on-one with you. That's the case. I have my another student waiting on 26. Maybe he'll be finishing his boards on 26. He had his exams actually. So once he is done with his exams, I'm going to start one-on-one for him. I have to manage them somehow. Going to be hectic. March is going to be hectic for me. another 3 minutes. I want this to, you know, accumulate a little bit because we met the draw here and we are going to enter a new phase of price delivery. That might be the retracement. Let me tell you guys you know, uh, the reason behind the phases of price delivery. So we cleared this high. Now we are entering some kind of phases of price. What phases of price? Either we'll get a pullback and then push higher. What first case? Okay, or else we're going to consolidate. That's it. At least we'll get some kind of retracement, a very small retracement at least after meeting any kind of draw. Accumulation or retracement or just continuation. There's no reversal actually. Reversal always happens after accumulation. Accumulate first and then replace and then reverse. Okay, so 10 a.m. open. We got this 30 minutes GXT if you see here. This with this. But the problem here is that 10 a.m. 10 a.m. should, you know, set the low first and then push higher. Okay. Yes. We have this gap here down here. Might get a retracement and set a low of 10 a.m. with some kind of pattern correlation with NQ and then we can, trade higher. Gold is looking good though, actually. This model is crazy. Even yeah, bro. I can tell on YM. Why did you trade on YM, bro? YM and NQ are totally decoupled. At least you would have waited to, align everything. I think it will struggle at 519. Gold. Are you talking about gold? 5195. Here? Here? This level? 5195. So I don't know whether it's going to, give this deep retracement. We might just push higher. Check 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Beautiful. Beautiful. 30 minutes. Looking so beautiful here. Catch this guy. I was thinking that gold might not give me entry, but shit, bro. Again, we have a silver to take trade, but I don't know. Oil is looking good though, at least for now. With this C2 closure, PL for now looking good though. If we have any kind of tracking correlation inside of this gap, at least like at least one stage, because we are already aligned and we just need one stage here. At least one stage, we can look for lower prices. Gold, I don't know, bro. Gold is just expanding. I might wait a little bit more on gold. At least I need a tap on this order block. Add a alert there. Oh, Discord has two people. make you access. Invite to speak. आ जाओ भाई आ जाओ। को देखा ही नहीं तब से। CL is looking good right now. We need a crack in correlation. At least इसको ये फेयर वाले गैप में घुसना चाहिए अभी। We'll get हम्म MCL करो ना आप। अपने हिसाब से करो मतलब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइजिंग वगैरह। Gold is just fucking around. It's time, time. Time was wrong actually. I haven't saw RB for a long time. Let me see RB. Oh, even RP is looking good though. We already almost reached this gap in RB. We haven't yet cleared these lows. Oh, lows are good in RB. Lows are good in RB. Gold में तो I don't think so as well. Gold में भी like it's directly expanding like NQ right now. NQ भी expand करे जा रहा है, gold भी expand करे जा रहा है। ES में कुछ मिल सकता है। YM I was looking at YM actually YM trade करने का सोच रहा था but YM is totally decoupled. Not good. Not at all good. ES and NQ. hmm Or else we can trade NQ with this Kraken correlation. Happening here. Gold, gold. Gold is just fucking around. Like gold में कुछ है ही नहीं. Gold is just straight away expanding. Mm. Let this set low of 10. Why silver is not moving in my charts, bro? Why it's moving? What can? Are you guys facing the same issue with silver? Silver, look at this. Like candles are looking static. I don't know why is that happening today. RB is looking good though. RB is looking so good. We need to clear a chart. Come on, bro. Can we clear that? Maybe. Look at this, guys. We're not going to wait. Just wait. If we are not having the clear idea what to do, just wait and see what market does and then react to the market. Don't rush. Don't rush at all. Gold, we are having a little bit pullback. Good sign there. gold. We need to set a 10 a.m. low first, and then we can push higher. If this is a 10 a.m. low, I'm not going to enter anywhere in a gold because I don't like how the gold expanded. So yeah, RB. Yeah, RB. We have this one stage with RB and CL, but RB looks way better than CL because we have a very clean draws down here in RB. This is very nice, like low resistance liquidity kind of thing. Yeah, we can come break even. We can hold it till here, but I'm not going to do that because I don't need to hold. Now let's see if it reverses from there. Yeah, we got this S&P fail. Sorry, S&P fail. Nice. Nice again. Nice again. Nice. Hold. Come on, bro. Inverse this fair gap and trick the people and set the low of 10 a.m. and then again push higher. Silver. Reach the 10 a.m. opening price almost. I want it to set till here. We- And then push again higher. But let's see. Need to wait. Wait. Yep. Nothing much, guys. Need to wait. Need to wait. If you guys have any doubts still, then you guys can just go ahead and ask. If you guys have any doubts. Oil and RB, as we planned, we got the SMT fail. Like we don't have any SMT. Let's see HO if we have something there. Yeah, we do. We do. We have this Kraken correlation with HO and RB. Sorry, guys. Let me do one thing. Sure. Let me do something here. Let me add a lot here so that until unless we are not getting this alert, we are having that SMT. Let's have RB on charts. Bro, this is so annoying. Like have to every time set it up like this without mouse. It's very difficult. Again, here is going very deep. Sorry, RB is like tracing very deep. Did we get that? No. See, we need a tap here on this. What's 4 hour doing? It's okay, 4 hour, nothing special. 1 hour, yeah, nothing special. 40 minutes. We have plan in 30 minutes though. We just tap here and then we can push. We can anticipate CSD and then push higher. But if we get a tap and without any bullish candle, if we start pushing here, we need to wait till this CSD, which is very non-ideal because the stop loss will be so big and risk management is not good at all. Will be not good at all if we do that. HO, we still have that SMT though. Bro, again, we set it up again. Let me off this for now. That's because of that indicator. A city closure in CL though. Let's see, guys. We need to wait. Nothing other than waiting. Come on, bro. Gold, come on. Give me a tap. Or else give me this change instead of delivery. So that I can enter bullish here. Yes, here. No. Come on, MGC, give us a tap. Oil, bro. Watch. Time is totally changed everything. Time is looking. mm, See, it gets thing here. It's 30 minutes looking. At least I want this 30 minutes. C2. 20 anticipated in gold. We got a C2. We are into C3, but C3 low is not yet set perfectly. Not yet set. Let's have a stage beyond landing. Thank you. Look at this. Bearish candle, bullish candle, and we swept this low and we built it with this week. So YM is good though. YM is good actually. Would have taken this. Oh, sorry, not bearish, bullish trade. It's going is inventory, but 40 minutes. 30 minutes. C2 would be better if we get that. The reason why I'm trading C2 at this point, if I like, I'm not taken this yet, but reason why I'll be trading C2 here is we have two stage and other two assets are looking, crazy bullish. I think this might catch up to with the other assets. Think so. This is kind of looking good though, but we don't have any entry. We missed it maybe. I think let's just wait for more confirmation here. Yeah, got a tap, got a tap and gold. This we need this though. This CST looking good so far. Mm, sharp, 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 sharp call. And this low clear. Yeah, even we have this though. We have a lot of things here in YM. Sure. A lot of fractal correlation forming in YM. This happens when, uh, two assets decouple or anything. 1 minute. Yeah. Whole 2 minutes CST is looking good for me. As we expected, we got a tap and we set the low of 10 a.m. Just put it here. Nice to see. We also have this 15 minutes uh, two stage down here. We need this 2 minute CST. we are not getting there, we are not going to take trade on there. Even CL should clear this high and show us some kind of reaction. We have this S&P fail here as well, but we have this though with RB. Look at this with RB. Okay, I don't want to drop to 1 minute, but I don't know. 2 minutes, we have to wait a lot, and 3 minutes, way more higher to take reversal there. So 15 minutes imbalance, 1 minute CST. Even that model works, but not high probable, I would say, for me at least. Yeah, why I'm turning out holding this CST. If we get another version block, anything here, can think of something. Why am. Thank you for joining. 5 people, guys. Five by watching today. Make sure to like the stream. Drop into four. Let's go. Bring someone and make it five. Just joking, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Monk hold. Yeah, oil is looking good for me. We close below the 50% of this candle. Yeah, then I think I should be considering that gold is going to move bearish because I don't know. Like we have a clean drop here, but I don't know why it's not pushing higher. This 10 a.m. should not take much this much like no this much time to set the higher low of that 10 a.m. So RB do have something clean in RB and oil. Yeah, I might try this. I think I should wait another minute to get this as C2 to get this C2 and trade the T3. I think I should do that, but that's a better plan. Of involving in C2 and getting chopped out after the next 15-minute open. So that's a great plan there. Like wait till you get a confirmation and then engage in the trade. instead of rushing because I've made a lot of mistakes, rushing sometimes. Yeah, as one of my friends said that gold might struggle on 5195. I still have his comment in the comment box. Let me just pin that. It was price action, he- so he might have anticipated that price might come here and react. But that's what happening in gold. Nice. Thank you. Turn it around. The oil is looking good though. Oh fuck. Oh, 15 minute. Look at the oil. 15-minute open, guys. Like one candle straight away drop. Like yesterday. No entry at all. No entry at all. No high set yet, actually. Not even we didn't even got any entry there. Yeah, I think we missed it. I think we missed it. Look at the 15 minute. 15-minute candle is not healthy at all. Look at this. There's no higher wick at all. So I most of the time wait for to set the high first and then trade the body, but this time there's no high at all. So just things happen. Look at the other asset. YM is looking setting up things very very well. YM is setting up things very well. YM is setting up things very well. You might see entry in YM. Oil, I don't know. Oil is. We had a plan. If this payment sets a high, then we would have traded the body of that candle, but there's no high at all. It just dumped like thing, and it also cleared this internal liquidity, not short-term liquidity. They're not interested. But RB, we still have something to do. We still have something to go go for. I think RB is good to anticipate something here. But again, if I want to take trade in RB, either I'll wait to have some kind of gap or else wait to get this retracement and then enter somewhere around here and catch these lows, and you know, 1 is 2 from there. Gold is looking good. But again, it is see the closure in gold to trade higher. What's YM doing? We were setting up things in YM though. Yeah. Bro, I was taking this trade in YM. Give me a second. Yeah, we are going to enter in YM here. Limit on limit here. I don't know if we are returning back and getting that entry, but that will be the yeah, yeah, we are in OIM longs trying to catch that bottom tick, but I don't know. After this, huge momentum downside, it's very difficult to push higher OIM. What's the risk we have here? I straight away hit a SL rubbish, 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 rubbish. Hit that, hit that, hit that, hit that. And then SL, come on. It's at 30 bucks, two contracts. I took that trade in very rush. $1. Very small though. Very good. I get better. What's your profile? In YM? Yeah, in YM we had a beautiful. Let me just go through the YM trade. Why I have taken that? Oh, not 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Sorry. Look at this. Sorry, I had trade. Don't worry. So we were having this lookout cleared here. Okay, SMT forming actually not yet formed. So we were forming this SMT, and I thought that we might push away from this order block, push higher from this order block here. So that was my mistake maybe. And if you look at a 1 hour, we had this two stage as well. So that was the reason I jumped into that trade. But I have to be careful. Like when two assets are totally decoupled, just try not to touch that. We do have this gap formed in RB, but high is not yet set. So I need some kind of high to be set. But again, we can trade in oil and RB maybe to wait. What is this? Might be your entry. Something like this. How much will I enter here? Will be on bodies. Nice. Some body and into all somewhere around here. In oil. We entry in oil, but not touching that because we cleared this internal. I might look in RB. It's on this gap here. Looking for 2 hours. Come on, sir. USS entry. USS entry. Come on, RB. Come on. We get the tab. That should be good. First, we are just straight away dumping. Bro, listen, the problem with oil and RB is this might also act as a SMT here. Hold straight away. No, bro, I think we are not going to get any entry in gold. कौन सा गया? 0.0058 it's showing. एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से आपका लॉस 250 बैठेगा, 250 बैठेगा आपका लॉस. हाँ, आरपीओपी कैसे लाइन? आरपी, हाँ, यस, that's it. I might go break even on this low, taking this low. वो वाईएम वाला लिए थे क्या? अच्छा, अच्छा किया आपने वाईएम नहीं लिया. वाईएम में बहुत बॉटम टिक ट्राई कर रहा था तो फेल हो गया था. Again, bad analysis on वाईएम today. But you know things happen. Mhm. आरबी में अगर आप ले सकते थे बट आरबी का करो करो. एक्सेस देना पड़ेगा आपको शायद बट ठीक है. Another 2 minutes in आरबी. Nice though. Need to wait and see, but I'm going to be break even at this lows. Yeah, anyhow, very strict on that. I still have something inside that YM can push higher. C2, we can, but I think we should wait to trade that C3, 15-minute C3. That's a better approach to do that to take longs in YM because you have to wait until it sets a good swing down there. Hmm. आज तो पीए बहुत लो प्रोबेबल था लाइक नो एंट्री. जब प्राइस लो हुआ तो स्टार्टेड शॉपिंग अराउंड. जब एक्सपैंड कर रहा था तो एक्सपैंड कर ही जा रहा था. देन 45. ना ना. Lucid. जाने भाई लूसिड से लूस वन डे लो पास करो कंसिस्टेंटली 200 बनाते जाओ बस 10 पॉइंट्स कैप्चर करो वो वो कर सकते हैं हाँ बा bro I don't know how to increase my watching in YouTube. I've been trying it. Hmm? Third was there. Sorry. No, the RB is doing cute, cutie things. Why? Because CL already took that low. No, that would be the reason. Else RB would have expanded by now. Never happened that. Not gonna touch anything. Let's do its thing. Very too slick. Oh yeah. Gold, 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 gold. What? Oh bro, we have something in gold. Look at this. C2 closure. C3. Set it slow. Why am I looking at 1 minute, guys? Sorry. My bad. But that's the only thing where we are going to get entry. Might be. Let me try this as well. Not two. Let's go with one. RB में ना. Let's see if it gives a tap or not. RB is playing out well. Then it can just chop maybe. But let's hold it. Let's wait. Support one. We have a closure in RP here, but I don't know. Like I think this should be yeah, in RB just to be safe. I'm going break even here because CL took this low already, so I don't want to risk. We also have this change in set of delivery. If it really wants to hold, this will hold, or else it will just stop me out. Oh, bro, this really works out. This will hold. This high will stay protected. Let me just give it a little bit more. Yeah, very negligible loss, or else we are going to be stopping out at break even. Give us a tap on gold. Oh, bro, ना से बचा है. अरे भाई मेरा मैं नीचे ही रखा था आई थिंक. वॉट एवर उतना तो आना चाहिए था. आ ही जाएगा. Another one, maybe. आ जाएगा नेक्स्ट कैंडल. मिला टैप. मेरे भाई added one more there. What's our time? 11:51, 10:51. Hmm. It was a long day today on live stream for me. RP, RP, RP. Come on, RP. Push lower. Push lower. If we get this change in state of delivery in RP, I'll pull my stops to break even. It's almost break even right now, but again, come on, if you break even looks break even better. Now this should break even looks better. Can't say anything on gold on 1 minute chart. Give me a second, guys. I have a call. So we are back. We are back. Gang. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe hobby is just walking around. I get stopped out here. Not yet, bro. Come on, RB. What are you doing? What is this, RB? Why are you just chopping around? Hold on. Shit. 2 to 6. नहीं नहीं मैं रैंडम 2 आवर रखा हूँ क्योंकि मैं मतलब ये हाई या फिर ये हाई क्लियर होने के बाद ब्रेक इवन आ ही जाऊंगा ना तो या 2 आवर रखता हूँ एक्सैक्ट. You want more. बारह सौ पूरा एक दिन का। मन तो होता है कि 3,000 एक ही दिन में करें, बट क्या कर सकते हैं, कंसिस्टेंसी भी तो होता है। you said 1200, okay? You said 1200. Will show where we should be actually. Gold will show बेटा आपका इतना है, आप इतना देखो। ज्यादा सोचो मत अभी के लिए। You have a long way to go. What's RB? Oh bro, RB. Get that RB. I don't know. We can. I still don't have anything, any hopes on RB. We can just. I already considered it as a break even in RB, but at least gold should give us good pump, bro. Like at least gold should. What is actually happening in gold? Come on, bro. RB, stop me out. Come on, break even. Come on, do that, do that, do that. Yeah, be break even. Said already. Said already. 2 बार हजार your account can also be blue. हाँ, या या मैं रहता तो मैं भी वही करता। If we get this 2 minute CIST, then I'll be going break even. Not going to risk after a gold में. Not going to risk after 11. We it's already been a long hours. Been today. At least we need this one minute CIST, bro. Gold को ना थोड़ा भी मर्सी नहीं है ट्रेडर्स के ऊपर, गोल्ड को। Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, yeah. Gold is not for beginners if you ask me. RB, RB. Do its thing, bro. Chop around. Chop around. We break even gold is running. If I exit at this point, I can easily recover my YM trade, but YM loss, but I don't want to do that. I want it to play out. But I'm still, this low should stay protective. Actually, this low. This should not be taken. कुछ भी हो another 13 seconds for 15-minute close. And 15 minute is closing. Nice. But we need this CIST. Come on. Yeah, nice close. What day is this, bro? Like, what's happening? What's indices are doing? Indices are just chopping around. YM, see, look at this. We got C to close, okay, in YM. And look at the C3, negative condition, no expansion at all. And look at C4, no lower wick at all. कुछ भी हो रहा है. Crazy things are happening in market today. कुछ है भी नहीं. Should straight away pump, but supply, supply demand, supply. जस्टिन वर्लिन का कांड देखे हो आप? आपने उसका मेंटरशिप लिया था भाई. अरे भाई. या कौन कौन सा? वो वीडियो डिलीट कर दिया उसने. हाँ. हाँ, नो आई डोंट थिंक सो. अभी भी क्लियर नहीं है. सिर्फ डॉजी बोल रहा है कि दिस इज बिग मार्केटिंग थीम गोइंग ऑन. नहीं, नहीं देखा हूँ अभी तो. एनक्यू, someone is asking about एनक्यू. हाँ, देखा हूँ मैं वो. हाँ, वो वीडियो पूरा नहीं देखा हूँ, बट हाँ, देखा हूँ थोड़ा बहुत. I'm not interested at all in indices because he already got expansion and we are entering lunch hours. So not sure. It will just, even if we get this retracement, it will be very deep retracements inside of these high time frame candles. So that's again dangerous there. Do we get that 2 minute? I need that 2 minute CIST to come break even. Another 40 seconds. But we have 3 minutes to 3 minutes, 3 minutes. नहीं भाई, अभी नहीं. इसको थोड़ा. अभी भी नहीं. What are we doing here in gold? Literally. One break even. One another one was very small loss. But look at this gold. One, four. Yeah, no worries. No worries, no worries. देखो वाई एम स्टॉप मी आउट एंड देन विशिंग हायर। यहाँ यहाँ तक तो मेरा टीपी भी मिल जाता मेरे को वाई एम में। How a person would expect a sudden bullish candle after this kind of bearish candle? If it closes in another 50 seconds, how a person could expect another strong bullish candle after such bearish candle? Now you might say, यहाँ पे देखो इतना अच्छा बेरिश कैंडल के बाद हम कैसा एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि अगला कैंडल पूरा बुलिश अच्छा कैंडल होगा। यू नो कुछ भी हो सकता है, मतलब वो आप मिल भी सकता है हमें, जैसा कि ये बेरिश कैंडल मिला विदाउट एनी रीजन। ये सप्लाई जोन था ऊपर, अभी नीचे से डिमांड लगाना पड़ेगा मेरे को, रुको। नीचे से कुछ डिमांड लगाना पड़ेगा। डिमांड डिमांड क्या हो सकता है? अरे ब्रो, नीचे से डिमांड। ऊपर से सप्लाई। इफ डिमांड सप्लाई एंड डिमांड वर्क्स, दिस शुड वर्क। दिस इज आवर डिमांड, दिस इज आवर सप्लाई। गेट द सप्लाई, कम ऑन। हमें तो मिला नहीं, को तो मिले एटलीस्ट। कुछ भी हो जा रहा है भाई। कम ऑन ब्रो। एचओ डिड समथिंग, लुक एट दिस गाइस। यहाँ पे कुछ और ही चल रहा है। आरबी और ऑयल में, ऑयल चॉप कर रहा है बट आरबी चॉप ही कर रहा है, बट इट इज मूविंग इन माय डायरेक्शन विद दैट, कैरिंग द चॉप, विद द चॉप आई वुड से। और हमें मिला है टैप डिमांड पे, डिमांड में टैप मिला है। नाउ वी कैन रिवर्स। ओ माय गॉड, इतना ज्यादा सप्लाई आ गया है कि डिमांड ब्रेक कर रहा है, और डिमांड इज ब्रेकिंग बिकॉज ऑफ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूज सप्लाई ऑफ देयर आउट ऑफ नोवेयर। आई थिंक दिस वाज a supply here, here supply started and bro, bro, will demand hold, please hold, please hold. Hmm. Hello, मीटिंग मीटिंग आदमी। पानी 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 बोलो रे, पानी भी बाद में पीता। अरे जा रे, बाहर जा तू, अरे स्ट्रीम कर रहा। नहीं, बाद में पीना। यस। ಕನ್ನಡನ ಚಲೋ ತೆಗಿ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. I'm in YM Longs, looking good so far. Yeah, I stopped out at YM Longs when I was here. I was anticipating longs in YM, but it stopped me out at first and then started pushing higher. I think I should have waited for C2 and then traded C3. At least मैं C3 में engage होता तो somehow I would have managed. Nice, nice guidance, nice. Goodiness. What's your name? I can't even pronounce that. Goodiness? Goodiness, maybe. Yeah, goodiness, I think. Still holding ground, yeah? ಹೌದಾ? But gold ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸೈಡು. But I don't know ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೌದು. Holds on gold. See. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಬೈ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನೈಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಓ supply demand is working guys supply demand is working guys just a joke just a joke just a joke no not a joke it's actually working come on push it higher now come on ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಗಸ್ತಾವು ಓ ಗಸ್ತಾವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ maybe oh nice Gustav's child Gustavo what could he what's oh high trade hold ಮಾಡೋಣ still have hopes but I don't know 1 minute ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಫೇರ್ವೆಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ನ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು the reason is we entered lunch hours 11 p.m. so 11 yeah 11 a.m. sorry not p.m. 11 a.m. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು let's wait and see I hope we get a good push higher. Once we get this change in state of delivery here, we can come break even. Yeah, our demand is working perfect, guys. Push, 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 push. Have a lot of supply up here. Go get it, 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 get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on. अरे राहुल भाई आ गए आ जाओ कुछ भी हो जाए शॉप हो रहा है शॉप 1 मिनट फेयर वैल्यू कैप है वहां पे अभी प्राइस यहाँ पे चल रहा है दे दो दे दो मैं, लेकिन कर नहीं सकते ना, पास करके आपको थोड़ी कैसे दे सकता हूँ मैं? दे सकता हूँ? नहीं, वो फिर बाद में वो लोग अगर पास हुआ भी तो वो लोग कुछ रूल्स वगैरह, आईपी एंड ऑल वो सब लगा के। हाँ। हाँ, हम तो हैं। या ये एक्चुअली अच्छा सेटअप है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इफ यू सी दिस 15 minutes changes state of delivery we got, the way we got that 15 minutes changes state of delivery, you should actually push higher, but seriously talking, I don't know what it should. It should, I would say, it should. So since we haven't hit our stops yet, I will definitely say it should push higher. The game is not yet over. We have a good demand here. We have very good demand here. वो फ्री मार्केट आपने जो लिया था, ये, अरे भैया फ्री। टॉप्स। हैशटैग नॉट गोल्ड। हैशटैग बोलोगे तो फिर गोल्ड नाराज हो जाएगा, बता रहा हूँ मैं। वी वांट गोल्ड टू पुश। वी वांट गोल्ड टू पुश। या ये लंच और में ऐसा फंसे हैं ना हम अभी। दिस इज नॉट आइडियल टाइम टू होल्ड ವೈಟಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಇದು. ಬ್ರೋ ವೈಟಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಾ ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಒಂದ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ ಇದು. ಬಹಳ ಬಹಳ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. someone is asking to upload यूट्यूब वीडियोस ऑन स्ट्रैटेजी। हाँ, यूट्यूब वीडियो बना के अपलोड करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं सब्सक्राइबर्स। अरे भैया एक वीडियो में थोड़ी होगा ये सब। और वो भी जो मतलब, आई एम नॉट श्योर कि दैट गाय इवन नोज आईसीटी और नॉट। अगर उनको आईसीटी पता है तो मैं कुछ बोल सकता हूँ। जानता हूँ ना, देसी ब्रेन स्टॉक के साथ ट्रेड करता है। हाँ, वो दोनों दोस्त है। हाँ, इंडियन है, वो इंडियन है, एनआरआई है वो एक्चुअली, मतलब इंडियन ही है, कनाडा में रहता है। हाँ। हाँ, यूट्यूब में भी रहता है ना, अभी अभी तो वो सेपरेट कर रहा है लाइव। पहले ब्रेनस्टॉर्म के चैनल में ही लंदन वो करता था, न्यूयॉर्क पीएम ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करता था। अभी वो खुद का अलग है, सेपरेट है उसका भी। हाँ, फ्री करता हूँ। फ्री करता है वो। तो देखता हूँ मैं, मतलब एक बार मेरे फीड में आया था, कुछ देसी ट्रेड्स ऐसा कुछ है उसका, देसी देसी ट्रेड्स ऐसा ऐसा ही कुछ है। मिलेगा आपको, है ना? 9.7 सब्सक्राइबर्स है इसके अभी फिलहाल तो। निकाला है ना, इसीलिए अपना खुद का यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट किया। पहले इसके साथ करता था सब, ब्रेनस्टॉर्म के साथ। अरे भैया, इतना होल्ड करना पड़ रहा है आज ट्रेड, मैं इतना कभी होल्ड नहीं कर रहा हूँ। गोल्ड इज टीचिंग अस पेशेंस टुडे। आई एम मूविंग माई स्टॉप्स बिलो दिस डिमांड जोन। यहाँ यहाँ पे मेरा खुद का एक डिमांड जोन रखा हूँ ना, ये। डिमांड एंड सप्लाई, एवरीवन आर क्रेविंग अबाउट दैट। So market let let's see. If this trade fails, then supply and demand never works actually. I would say it's okay, bro. Teach every concept day by day. Bro, ನೀವು ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅನದರ್ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ you'll get a chance. March mentorship ಇದೆ. March 1 month I'm going to be teaching everything for free there in Kannada actually, not in Hindi or English. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಇದೆ. So if you're lucky, you'll get a slot there. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿ ಎಂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿ ಎಂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಂಗಾರ ಡಿ ಎಂ ಮಾಡಿ. One, I'm going break even, break even. I'm going break even. हाँ, भी देखते हैं अभी, अगर ब्रेक वन मिल गया तो मिल गया भाई अभी. That is what gold is. That is what gold is. Install DM ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay bro, install DM ಮಾಡಿ. I will send you the form. You can fill it, and I think Friday night I'm going to be doing some Friday night ಒಂದು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ. Let's see how many people go interest and join that meet. Thanks for showing interest in initiative. Kumar, देगा देगा, देगा देगा, देगा लग रहा है मेरे को, देगा लग रहा है. उधर ही है, उधर ही है. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಚ್ಚು. ಏ ತಡಿಯೋ. मेरे को मैच होगा तो होगा भैया, मैं तो नहीं हटाने वाला टीपी. वॉट एवर इट हैपन्स. ऐसा हो रहा है अभी. सुबह पुश पुश. गोल्ड मेरे भाई. Yeah, come on, get this, get this supplies. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, yes, नहीं हुआ. एग्जिट करो, एग्जिट करो, मैनुअली एग्जिट करो, मैनुअली एग्जिट. Crazy trades. I नाइस ट्रेड दो. अच्छा ट्रेड था. अच्छा ट्रेड था. अच्छा ट्रेड था ये. मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम बंद. आज का डब्ल्यू 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 गाइस. डब्ल्यू ट्रेड. पूरा पूरा नेट पीएनएल बोल रहे हो आप मतलब. ओके. दैट्स बेटर. $1,000 is better. Total PNL $1,000 is better. You just need another two. Yeah, another 2,000. That's it. So, wow, how much did you lose today pre-market? Okay, yeah, that's good. Nice trade. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We had a lot of fun today. Even though we had one small loss, we had a lot of fun with gold and RB. We had one break even in RB. Here it is. And actually, RB gave a TP after get you know. यहाँ पे देखो राहुल. यहाँ पे देखो आरबी आरबी का देखो यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे इसने मेरे को निकाला. ठीक है. यहाँ पे इसने मेरे को निकाला. नेक्स्ट कैंडल देखो स्ट्रेट डाउन टू आरटीपी. अगेन. Yeah, we had one break even in RB and one small loss. It's not at all big loss in YM, but YM, I think I entered at wrong time because I was looking on this candle. I should have waited for C2 to form and then I would have traded C3. That's a book thing to do while trading reversals. I thought we had a two stage and I can manage to get this candle where it is not at all CT, not even a C2 candle. So yeah, but gold was good as I anticipated. I waited for 10 a.m. low to set first, and then one of my friends said that this level is going to hold. I don't know how we analyzed it, but I thought, yeah, bye bye. I thought this fair value gap here, according to me, should hold the price, and that did. Shout out to that boy, shout out to my boy. Okay, bro. Send Martin, link send Martin. So we came back tapped from this key level here, discount the fair value gap, and we also had this order block holding here down here. So yeah, it's a pretty good reaction from there. And then we set a low of this this entire low here from here from here to here. Let me just show you guys. Oh, sorry. Let me just show you guys. This entire low from here to here. This is all 10 a.m. wick what we set. So I'll always let the wick to set first and then trade the body. And that's what I did here. We had this good change in state of delivery here. We had this good change in state of delivery. If you see, had this good change in state of delivery. And in 1 minute, I took that trade in 1 minute actually. Yeah. Oh shit, bro. Yeah. So this trade on this 1 minute fair value gap here. Let me just mark that for you guys. Bro, come on. Yeah. On this fair value gap, I entered here. Initially, we had some chop and then we pushed higher. I think that's because of lunch or maybe I don't know. But it's this time is not actually the ideal time to take punch trades. You can hold trades, but not to punch the trades because it's almost no close of the candle, close of 1 hour candle. So that's the reason actually. We opened, pushed higher, and we closed here somewhere around here 1 hour candle. So again, we opened the new 1 hour candle, pushed lower, set the wick of 1 hour, and then we, straight away pushed higher. So that's the reason there. Again, very, very nice trade. Very, very beautiful trade. Not that nice. I never held any trade this long. Either I'll definitely go break even, get out at break even, or else I'll exit it manually. So I thought to have some fun. So I just stayed and we finally got the TP. So is that CST where this what's price? If you tell me the price, I can price and time. I'll tell you whether it's CST or not. Actually, this is a CST here. This is CST, or else even you would have taken it here, but I don't think so because this legs at the low, so I would consider this as CST. That was the reason when this high is taken, I just came break even there. Yeah, very nice trade. ದಿನೇಶ್ ಬ್ರೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟಿ ಪಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಟಿ ಪಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ 5195. Think it will struggle at 5195 then gold order 5195. ಯಾರದ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೈಸ್. Okay guys, see you guys tomorrow. Let me just what the what the what is this bro? Like old rubbish. Let me just clear this and take a picture. Yeah, mouse is not working. No, what? We had our stops according to 1 minute, right? Yeah, in the body. Yeah, this was a page. Very sharp, but yeah, whatever. We got this thing, please. Mm-hmm. Right, this much. Where? That's where. This is our plan to go break even. No, 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 no. This. Just, we post it here. Like that. If I get TP tomorrow, it'll be this. Guys, let me just off my. I want to say something to my Discord people. stream. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe our channel. Please like our stream. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. We are straight away great. Had a green all day, all the days of week, but today unfortunately we had one loss, which is very negligible, very small loss, and another one was break even almost. And and again, the price action is not at all good today. So yeah, we have better days coming. So don't risk much, risk what you can't afford. So be careful about that. So, take care, guys. Bye bye. See you. Peace.